Today, I just want to quickly show you how you can convert your PowerPoint slides to an image file. So on my screen, I have a PowerPoint presentation that has about 9 to 10 slides in it, and I want to save as. And what I want to do is I want to change my document type from a PowerPoint to PNG. So a PNG is a particular image file. You can also save it as a JPEG if you like. And why I'm here, if you want to convert this to a video, it's the same steps as well. So I just wanted to show you that while we're here. I'm going to go ahead and click on the PNG file and hit save. What it's going to do now is going to ask two things. Do you want convert all slides? And if you make this selection, any slides that you may have hidden, it would also convert them as a image file as well. Or you may want one particular slide that you want to create, and you can make that selection. But in this case, I want all slides. What it's going to do is whatever folder that it is saved, it's going to save it in that folder. And let me show you where it is. So it creates its own folder with all the slides in it. I click on it. Notice that I have slides 1 through 9. Now I want to make sure that it has a very a unique name versus a generic name. I'm going to hold the shift key and I'm going to click the top and the bottom of all the slides that I want. I'm going to press function key F2, which gives me the ability to rename this. And I like just to rename it to something very similar to what the folder is or the file name is. And this is mailbox versus alias. And I'm going to hit, no need to worry about the numbers, and press the enter button. Notice it add the numbers for me.